What's happening? Welcome to Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. This is just a unboxing review. What I want to show you guys is a Christmas gift that I actually will be giving to a friend of mine's son who's 4 years old. He likes Spider-Man, and some of you know my trucker handle in the tour bus and trucking industry is Spider-Man, or Amazing Spider-Man. So anyway, so I'm going to give him this. I found this on Amazon for pretty cheap, not a lot of money at all. Also want to mention that I also got my youngest nephew a Pokemon kids watch as well. Now we're not going to take this all the way out. We're just going to open it up real quick and just show it to you, and I'll put some of the specifications for the watch up on the screen. Now it's an inexpensive gift, and I like the fact that it comes with this metal can, so that when my friend's son, you know, is not wearing the watch, he can take the watch and put it back into this metal can, which if he does that will protect it for years to come. And who knows, this might even become in the future some kind of a collector's item, if my friend's son of course takes care of it, but you know how kids are. And the same thing with my nephew, whom I'm going to give a Pokemon watch to tomorrow. Go figure, right? A watch reviewer giving folks watches. Crazy, huh? But I just want to show that to you. By the time you see this, it'll either be Christmas Day or just after Christmas, and maybe by that time you can find this watch, which doesn't cost a lot at all. Also, the Pokemon watch, I'll try to leave a clip of that somewhere, my youngest nephew watch. But those two don't cost a lot at all. And what you can start doing now is start your Christmas 2024 shopping early with the after Christmas sales, not just with watches but with whatever. I typically like to get non-electronic items usually, but for something like this doesn't cost that much, I'll take the risk of not get it early. And then I usually like to get electronic items closer to actual Christmas in case there's a problem, to make things easier to return, that kind of stuff. But I wanted to share that with you. And also I want to put this bug in your ear that this could also be a great gift for someone who likes Spider-Man, whom, and say maybe is a youngster who's maybe your teacher, right? Maybe there is a youngster or youngsters in your class who like superheroes, Spider-Man, Superman, Wonder Woman, whatever, you know, that kind of stuff. You know, Marvel or DC, who might like a gift like this or similar to it in your classes, you know, your public school, private school, or your Sunday school classes, who might like something like this as a gift, you know, teachers and administrators, you know, for students that are maybe very good in school, not only academically but also behaving well in school, that kind of stuff. So I think a great gift for something like that, or a great birthday gift for someone who's a younger person that you know likes Spider-Man, or in the case of my nephew, my youngest nephew likes Pokemon. You know, great gifts for them for many types of different occasions. So a little bit of a shorter video today, a little different. I wasn't going to make this, but I said, you know, people like Spider-Man, and since that's my trucker handle in the truck business, working for a bicycle shop, and the tour bus business I do on the side, I might as well make a video about that. So that's it from the Lynn Haven beach facility and boat ramp here at Chesapeake Beach Ocean Park section of Chesapeake Beach, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Atlantic Ocean Watch. I'd appreciate a thumbs up. I'd appreciate likes if you like the video, comment, and check out some other videos I've made, like my recent video about this free diver watch from Ratio that I think you'll find interesting. Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa to all of you. And if you happen to be atheist, my friend, well, have a nice day. See ya. It's Pokemon. So again, this part, you press that right there just in time. So you got to play with that a couple of times to make that whatever time you want it. And then you press this top one and it lights up. Just like the Spider-Man watch I got a friend of mine's son And then of course this one here and this one here, they're just for show. But that's what it does. So now you have Pokemon power on your wrist. How does that make you feel?
I gotta catch them all.
That's right. Catch all the Pokemon or Pokemon. Sweet. Hey man, can I borrow your watch? It's cool. But I don't think it'll fit my wrist. Oh, actually, your wrist is about the same size as my wrist. Good gracious. Yep, definitely my nephew. There you go. That's all.
Why your husband's pants touching his damn kneecaps? Because he's so tall. You standing next to it, Veronica. I'm about to go outside.
Merry Christmas!
Hey, are we done screaming? Jenkins.
Yeah, we're just taking videos.
Are we?
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah. Okay, let's sing our Christmas carol. Go, Dad.
Kyle.
On the first day.
No!
Christmas.
The other one.
What?
We wish you a Merry Easter. We wish you a Merry
Dad, sing your line.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer coming home from our house Christmas Eve.
No, that's not what you're supposed to sing.
What?
Huh?
You're supposed to sing ski.
What?
Ski.
When you see me, you trying to say what's up. Okay.
Sad as shit.
All right, we're done. This is the worst Christmas carol ever.
The giant Santa Claus, man.
Bye.